In this video, we're doing an honest review of the Benzinga Pro stock research platform to help you decide if it's worth using. Benzinga Pro is built for active traders who rely on fast, real-time market data and actionable insights. It offers powerful tools like live news feeds, customizable scanners, audio squawk alerts, and unusual options activity tracking, all designed to help traders react quickly to market-moving events. The interface is modern and easy to navigate, and many users appreciate how it delivers breaking news faster than most free platforms. However, Benzinga Pro comes with a steep price tag, starting at around $37 per month for the basic version and going up to nearly $200 per month for full access to advanced features like sentiment filters and signals. While it's praised for speed and accuracy, some users find the platform overwhelming or unnecessary for casual investors. A few have also mentioned inconsistent customer support and difficulties with cancellations. In short, Benzinga Pro is a top-tier choice for serious traders who depend on speed, precision, and in-depth market data, but it may be overkill for beginners or long-term investors who don't trade daily. If you appreciate unbiased and practical reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe for more honest insights.